Well guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the fronts of this B&O 6000, because everybody knows if your sound gets worse from this system, yes, from the speakers, it is a problem with the speakers. And it's very simple, my friends. The only thing what you have to do, yeah, two hands, and just with two hands like this, lift it upwards, yeah, and then you can take it away. And then if you come close, let me take over the cam. You see that these speakers, yeah, are broken. You can see over here. They need new surroundings. Yeah, and the only thing what you have to do is to screw these 4 screws from these 2 drivers. Yeah, every speaker have 2 drivers, mid-bass drivers. So every driver have 4 screws. So this speaker is 8 screws together. You leave this one is not broken, and you send these drivers put them in a box and ship them to a repair guy. Yeah, or maybe you have a repair guy close to you. You bring these drivers to a repair guy. Do this, of course, with both speakers. Yeah, the price online I could find in the Netherlands is €60 the speaker. I'm still trying to find a cheaper address, because I think €60 the driver. That means 4 drivers, €240, my friends. That's a lot of money, and there is a crisis going on. So there is a lot of everything, only money. There's never enough money, so that's why I'm trying to find a cheaper repair guy. Yeah. So, and then it is very simple. So what you're gonna do, you see here this hole. Yeah. On this side you don't have to have a hole. That means the hole for the lamp over here, for the bulb over here. So you take the front, you place it on top, and with 2 hands you slide it down. This simple. Do not go to try to take the thing out, you will break it, my friends. This is how simple you remove the fronts of a B&O 6000. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, put a thumbs up, and for now I say bye bye.